Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. We are revising our chapters and we have completed revision work from civics and also from history. Okay, and today we are going to start revision work from geography portion, that is chapter 21 and 22. First of all, we will start our revision work from word meaning. Okay, and then after comes to fill in the blanks, and after fill in the blanks, last question, that is match the following. Okay, yes, now let us see here. Word meaning 1. Subcontinent. Subcontinent, a big geographical unit which stands out distinctly from the rest of the continent. You have to learn it, and after getting learned, you write down all the word in rough copy, and after that write the meaning also. Okay. Tropic of Cancer, an imaginary circle running along the Earth's surface at an angular distance of 23 and 30 minutes from the equator to its north, running parallel to the equator. It marks the northern limit of the tropical zone. Next, standard meridian of India. The meridian of 82 and 82° 30' east, whose local time serves as the standard time for the whole country. Next, Indian Standard Time. The local time along the standard meridian, which serves as the standard time for the whole of India. It is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich time. Last one, Union Territory, an area directly governed by the Union government. Okay, and after this, let's see the word meaning from next chapter, that is from chapter 22. Okay, first word meaning of this chapter is monsoons. A complete reversal of wind direction over a large area leading to a change of seasons. Second, windward side. The side of the mountain which comes across the striking winds and gets heavy rainfall. Third, leeward side. The other side of the mountains where winds descend after shedding much of their moisture and which get little or no rainfall. Last one, rain shadow area. Area lying on the leeward side of the mountain or a plateau which receives little or no rainfall. Okay, इस सारे वर्ड मीनिंग को पहले प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. प्रिपेयर करने के बाद, लर्न करने के बाद वर्ड को आप एक कॉपी में राइट कीजिएगा. सारे वर्ड को राइट करने के बाद अपनी बुक क्लोज कर दीजिएगा. क्लोज करने के बाद आप सारे मीनिंग को राइट कीजिएगा. ठीक बेटा, राइट करने के बाद फिर आप उसको अपनी बुक से मैच करेंगे. ठीक, और मैच करने के बाद देखिएगा जहाँ भी मिस्टेक होगा आप उसको राउंड कर दीजिएगा. राउंड करने के बाद पूरी कॉपी मैच करने के बाद जो जो रॉन्ग है वर्ड, स्पेलिंग्स जो भी रॉन्ग है उनको आप फिर से लर्न कीजिएगा. फिर वो 5 टाइम्स उस स्पेलिंग को राइट कीजिएगा ताकि आपकी स्पेलिंग वो अगेन मिस्टेक ना हो. ठीक, नाउ कम्स टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज fill in the blanks. Okay, see here from chapter 21, fill in the blanks from chapter 21. Okay, fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash is the highest peak of the Himalayas in India, that is Kanchenjunga. आप बेटा अपने बुक से स्पेलिंग वगैरह मैच कर लीजिएगा. ठीक, सेकेंड, dash is the highest peak of the peninsular India, Anai Mudi, MUDI. Okay, Next, the Indo-Gangetic Plain lies to the dash of the Himalayas, south. Okay. Fourth, the Arabian Sea, fourth one, the Indo-Gangetic Plain is made up of dash soil. Which type of soil? Fertile alluvial. Okay. Next one, the Arabian Sea lies to the dash of India. What? West. Sixth, the Indian Ocean lies to the dash of India, south. Okay, now comes to chapters 22 for fill in the blanks. See, number 1, dash. In Meghalaya region receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. Mawsyn Ram. Mawsynram. Mawsyn Ram. Second, India receives a heavy rainfall from dash monsoons. Which type of? Advancing. Okay, advancing monsoon. The third, the advancing monsoon season runs from June to September. Okay, June to September. Is it clear? Now third question, that is match the following. Now for match the following, see chapter 21. The Narmada, number 1, Arabian Sea. C1, match it with the sea. Okay. Not better, 1 minute. Number 1, that is D. D. Okay. A, D. Match it with the D. Arabian Sea. Second, the Kaveri, Bay of Bengal. Match it with A. Third, Kanchenjunga. Third, the Great Himalayas. Which one? E. Patkoi Bum. Fourth one, match it with C. The Eastern Himalayas. Fifth, Cardamom Hills. Fifth, B. That is Deccan Plateau. Now next move towards chapter 22. Rain shadow area. Match it with C. That is Pune. Second, a place with an equable type of climate. Match it with D. Chennai. 8. The place with heaviest rainfall in India. That is Mawsyn Ram. Match it with A. 9. A place with the precipitation is in the form of snow. That is B, means match it with Leh. Okay, Leh. And next, that is only which one left? Yes, tick the correct answer. Western Rajasthan gets which type of rainfall? Scanty rainfall. किस पे आपको टिक लगाना है? Scanty. Second, the east coast of Tamil Nadu receives rainfall from the which type of monsoon? Retreating monsoon. Okay, retreating monsoons. Third one, southwest monsoons causes floods in India. What? Western disturbances. Fourth, Kolkata receives more than Delhi, same as Delhi. किसके? Kolkata receives more than Delhi. Okay, is it clear, beta? Today we have completed revision work from geography portion, that is chapter 21 and 22. So in next class we will discuss about some question answer from chapter from history portion. Okay, so get ready for Next revision. Write down here homework beta. Prepare whole chapter for exam. Okay beta, got it? So today only this much. Thank you.